Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add domain to Squarespace from Dreamhost. So guys, I made this table over here so we can have a deeper understanding. So first thing that you will do is simply log in into your Squarespace account, and after that, once you are logged in your dashboard, you should be able to see their domains. So just simply click on domains, and after that, just simply select the domain that you want to connect to the Dreamhost. And from there, guys, just simply click on DNS settings or domain name servers. And from there, you should be able to see custom name servers. So just simply select that, guys. And after that, just simply go to your Dreamhost account and get the name servers from your Dreamhost. And after that, just simply paste them into the name server fields. And once you have done that, you can just simply click on add a new server if needed. And just simply click on save to apply the settings that you just did. And guys, remember to allow at least 24 to 48 hours for the changes to be fully connected to your domain to Dreamhouse. And there you go. See ya.